Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM SD card in case. This prevents short circuits and gives clear access. Next, make sure you have a small Phillips or tri-point screwdriver, plastic pry tools, and optional ESD strap to avoid static damage. Once done, back up important data to cloud or a computer so you won't lose files if repair requires a factory reset or parts replacement. Make sure your workspace is clean, well-lit, and organized before opening the device. You now open the chassis carefully, keeping screws labeled by location because misplacing one can break clips later. Once inside, inspect the display connector and surrounding flex cables for debris or corrosion. Clean contacts gently with a 90% plus isopropyl swab and let dry. Then you either reseat the display cable or replace the digitizer/LCD assembly if damaged. This is the key fix for touch failures. After reconnecting, power the phone briefly to test touch response before you reapply adhesive and close the phone. You finish by reassembling the phone with screws in their original spots and applying fresh adhesive or double-sided tape to secure the screen. Correct torque prevents cracked glass. Once closed, power up, run the touchscreen calibration and a full systems test of taps, swipes, and multi-touch. Restore your backed-up data and verify stability. If the screen remains unresponsive, try safe mode or a software restore to rule out drivers. If that fails, seek professional repair. Internal board damage or a faulty digitizer cable may be the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.